Hello, today's video is on econometric modeling. So I hope to do some very specific questions today, so which will not only help you but to increase your prowess in this econometric structure, econometric modeling. The model specification and diagnostics testing. So we will start with this specific question. So they say that suppose that the true model is yt equal to beta I plus xi plus ui, but instead of fitting a regression through the origin, you routinely fit the usual intercept present model. So assess the consequence of the specification error. So the deviation from the true model can be written as deviation from true model, that is yi beta I xi ui minus uy. Now alpha 1 hat equal to summation yi xi plus summation xi square. This is one part. So summation of beta I xi plus ui minus u bar into xi whole divided by summation of xi square. So therefore expectation of alpha 1 hat equal to beta 1, making the use of the various properties of the ui and xi, we can write it. So that is for even if we introduce the unneeded intercept, even if the unneeded intercept comes in, in the second model, the slope coefficient remains unbiased. So as this is the situation now, the variance of the two estimators will be first variance of beta 1 hat, so which is sigma u square by summation of xi square, and variance of alpha 1 hat will be sigma square b summation of x minus xy square, which are not the same. Hence, these are the consequence of the specification error. So let's go to the third one. So continue with the previous exercise. Assume that the model 2, that is truth, discuss the consequences of fitting a misspecified model. Okay, so in this case, beta 1 hat equal to summation of xi yi by summation of xi square. Okay, so summation of xi equal to alpha 0 alpha 1 xi vi summation of xi square. Okay, so alpha 0 summation of xi summation of xi square, alpha 1 summation of vi summation of vi xi by summation of xi square. So if these two happen, therefore expectation of beta 1 hat will be alpha 0 and summation of xi square plus alpha 1. So therefore the slope estimator is the in the incorrect model gives the biased estimate. So the variances of the given are as follows. So this is the misinterpretation structure.